Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a craft room cleanup. My craft room is in terrible shape today. It has been for the whole last month. We got a baby bunny. We're keeping the baby bunny supplies in my room. I've had like 1,000 different projects going on and none of them have been finished, and I've been doing holiday shopping and putting all the presents I've bought in here too. So it is looking like a crazy mess in here and I need to tackle it. And I thought you guys would love a quick craft room cleanup with me. So I hope you enjoy this. All right, I'm gonna show you what's going on. Hello, baby bunny. He's free roaming right now. Baby bunny supplies, like I said, a laminator I borrowed from a friend, mason jars, recycling, tons of unfinished projects up there, unfinished projects pretty much everywhere. Look at this. This is crazy. Christmas presents, more Christmas presents, more unfinished projects. And if I turn you around here, you can see that there's even more mess. It just doesn't stop. It's all over the place. So I am going to get working on this mess. All right, first things first, this pillow. I got this pillow a couple years ago. I had to have it. It was covered in fur and just seemed like such a posh office craft room pillow to have. This thing is flat. There's only stuffing in like half of it, and it is not one of those zip open ones where you can go and restuff it. So I would have to take it apart, and this fabric, this fur would just get everywhere if I tried to do that, and I just don't need it. So I'm gonna say goodbye to this item, get rid of it. Okay, this is the next mess that I need to clean up. I've got all of these finished candles here. As you can see, when they're finished, there's still a ton of wax down in the bottom and it can't burn anymore because the wick is out. So what I do with these is I go boil them in some hot water, completely clean out the inside once the wax is melted, throw it away, clean it out so I can put these little jars in my recycling bin because you can't recycle them with the wax still in there. So off to take care of this mess. All right, here is what the room looks like. It's not perfect. I've still got some mail to go through, some mail to send out. I still have to redo this wall art and hang it. I have to steam clean my floors, but overall, it looks pretty great. I have a stack of projects I'm working on my desk. I did not go through this all the way. I have a little stack of things on the floor right here, but other than that, as you can see, the room is pretty clean and looking so much better than it was before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see all the fun stuff I do in my craft room, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!